If you don't beat down the block, you know the thing, it now just sit there and I wait for you. That's all. That gone. That gone. And all of this are right done. So we will pull off this. Take out the button block then. Pouring concrete in these block pockets could hold them in place, but I decided to remove them and replace them. So tight this hole up to that one, but it never beat down, so it never hold. Tight that hole. Literally beat it down. When you are there back them, if you don't beat it down with that mallet or hammer, when you are level it. Now I got all in tight, beating it down with the shovel alone. I really work all the time. Get this off. Well, go on now guys, welcome back to the channel. You don't know I'm Ghetto Pain and this is Painful DIY. So we done lay the second 4-wheel block now. What I'm gonna do is just splice the steel them and then cast in the blocks and then put on the horizontal bars. So if you're new to the channel, please remember like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. So we're gonna do some more work today. As you can see, put on the next 4-wheel block. I hire a virgin to come in, come put on the second 4-wheel. So everything up. So what else left now is for me to just splice these steel, join them, go up. I'm gonna do that today. You pull out all of the black pocket them, put on the horizontal bar, tie them back in the steel cage. And get some work done. So it's a very hot day. It's been raining for a while. I hope the rainy season over. So let's get into this. So one of the things that you have to do is to look down on the black pockets and make sure that the space is wide enough for the concrete that you're pouring to pass and not choke up the pocket. So most of these, I have to dig them out. This is where the niche is going to be. So I'm now have to really full up these pockets. I'm going to full up one with the steel, other one with the steel. This may just drop a piece of steel down in it. So just drop a piece of steel down in it. And I cut out the middle between the steel then. So looking at them, make sure everything is everything. And what you can do is get a piece of steel with your hammer and chisel it out. Even though it take a drop inside, it doesn't really matter. So just make the space big enough for the concrete. So it's been 3 years since we started this build. It all started when NHT decided to cancel my application for a loan. And as you know, you have to start building within 2 years after the plan has been certified. It took me almost 2 years with the NHT application, and with the plan coming closer and closer to the expiration date, I had to start something and start out of pocket. It's never going to be easy, but with hard work and determination, we will be getting closer and closer to our desired goals. Alright, so when we splice, you want to tie, you see anywhere the steel lean, you want to tie it on the other side. So you can just center it like this. See that? And it's supposed to be no less than 1 feet for the splicing. I like to just drop it down into the black pocket, so that when time you put in the concrete, you can just put your concrete come up to a level and hold it in place. And then the horizontal bar will come across and join both of them, not just one, but both of them. Alright, so we can finish up all around the place. Stay tuned. Alright, so sometimes you're splicing steel as short as this. So the good thing about it is that the black pocket not full up yet. So you can just push down the steel, bang one closer to the top and bang one more down into the block. Alright, so splice off all of the steel that needs to be spliced. Don't mind the rustiness of the steel. Once the concrete dry on it, it's good. The rustiness is just a coating right up on it and flake off. I have a little one for join back now. And I have this for join back. And then we start mix up some concrete. Always remember to damp the blocks before pouring in the concrete. This helps to prevent the blocks from sucking the moisture out of the mixture. put on the lintel now and put the lintel straight across. Concrete I go down this amount to tie back in the black pocket. I throw a little bit more in this. And then I have to straighten this when I throw in this. Now I will put no more steel in this. Or should I? I think we should put on steel in it. No, let's put on steel in it. That's a piece of steel. Packing back the concrete around the steel. And then we'll throw a little bit more in it. Bring it up a little higher. So that is it. And we have everything right round for go. The sun hot. A man's got to do what a man's got to do, right? Alright, as you can see the water mark them now in the block, so you know the part of them are filled out all of them. This water mark in the pocket here come stop right here, so I wonder if we already did full up this or the black pocket choke up. So I have to determine a later date. So this is the last bucket. I'm going to pour. After that, now cut horizontal bars. Oh, I'm tired. Anybody say them love construction? But I don't know. I can't love them love the work. I must see money them love. Alright. There it is. Whew. I get to finish everything. I'm gonna cut the bar now and proceed. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate the support. So I'll see you next time. Woo! But probably I will put it before the next 4 row. I'll probably see belting. And remember, guys, we're putting the horizontal bars on every 4 rows of blocks.